Hello, everybody. I'm Christina and I'll be your host today. We are going to talk about some easy ways to reduce household energy use with our guests from school number 11 in Botoşan. They are Noemi,
Hi.
Mehna,
Hello.
Eddie,
Hello.
and Alessia.
Hello, nice to be here.
All of them students in class 8A. Now, let's start with a very simple question. What do you mean by electricity consumption? Eddie.
Electricity consumption or usage refers to how much electricity your home uses on an hourly, daily, monthly, or even yearly basis. Many of the items in your home, like your lights and electronics, are powered by electricity.
Regardless of the energy resource, making smart energy choices like being mindful not to waste energy at home or by doing a renovation that makes your home more energy efficient helps keep your costs down and minimizes the environmental impact of that resource.
Good point, Migna, but there is more than that. Alessia.
You are right, but electricity is just one form of energy. So, when we talk about saving energy and being energy efficient, sometimes there are cases when that actually means using more electricity, like by switching from a gas powered car or a heating system to an electric one.
What do you have in mind when it comes to reduce the energy use? Noemi.
Well, first of all, I think of computers. Computers are some of the biggest energy users in office buildings and the home. Turning the monitor off at night and ditching the screensaver don't affect the computer's lifespan, so power down.
What about turning off the unnecessary lights and using natural light?
Migna, can you be more specific, please?
Yes, turning off one 60-watt bulb for 4 hours a day and turning off ceiling lights and using table lamps, track lighting and under-counter lights in work and hobbies areas as well as in kitchens could save some money in the family budget.
You are right, but we need to choose the right light too. For instance, LED bulbs are the most energy efficient lighting option. LED bulbs use 75% less electricity than incandescent bulbs. Not to mention that they have no mercury and last about 25 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs.
Can anybody explain what LED means?
Of course, LED stands for light emitting diode. It is a semiconductor diode that emits light when conducting current and is used in electronic equipment. Since the 60s, LED technology advanced and became more efficient and less expensive.
All right then. What other ways to reduce household energy use can you think of?
I'm thinking that installing dimmers can help saving energy. Turn up the power if you need more light for activities like reading or writing, or turn the lights down when you want to relax.
What about the energy we use for heating water, Alessia?
We all know that hot water is expensive, so taking shorter showers and turning water off when washing hands, brushing teeth, or shaving would be a way to reduce the energy consumption. Not to mention that washing laundry in cold water would greatly reduce energy consumption and protect the quality of fabrics.
What else should we consider?
I would consider unplugging unused electronics too. Devices like televisions, microwaves, scanners, and printers use standby power, even when off. I know the standby power can account for 10% of the average household's annual electricity use. For instance, unplug the second fridge and maintain clean. Airtight refrigerators doors seem to keep the cold air in and warm air out.
It also helps if you turn off the air conditioning while you're at work or at away.
What about recycling or donating?
In my opinion, recycling or donating the old electronics like TV, computers, or game consoles is beneficial. It helps to use less energy and conserve resources and natural materials as well. If you buy new electrical appliances, you need to read carefully the label energy that shows you the energy consumption for each item.
Well, it seems that we all agree that there are ways at everyone's fingertips to reduce electricity consumption and thus to become more eco-friendly. We hope that these simple tricks to reduce energy use will be applied by all our listeners. Till we meet again, thank you and happy Easter, everybody. Bye.